Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to customize your Telegram wallpaper with your own picture. So the first thing you have to do is just open the Telegram application, and whenever you open it you just need to jump into the settings part by click this, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the appearance right here, and then you just need to click it. And now to change the wallpaper you just need to go click this chat wallpaper, and after that if you already prepare the picture you just need to go click choose from photos, and now you just need to select more photos. Now the application will be bring you into your photo library, and you just need to find the picture that you want to use for the background of the chat. So for example you want to do it this, and now you just need to go click done, and now you just need to go click the picture. You can adjust in either you want to do blurred or motion. I'll let you do blur like this, and the motion will be like this, like have a zoom part. You can also adjust in the transparency. If you want to decrease in the light, you can slide into the left side. If you want to add in the light, you can slide into the right side. So I will let to make it blur, so let's just do it this. And now you can do it apply for all chat if you want to make all of the wallpaper the chat being like this, and then you just need to click it. And now your chat wallpaper is already changed. Now let's check on these chat wallpaper, and now you can already see that the background is already changed. So that's the way how to change wallpaper on Telegram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.